How to connect XNest to MetaTrader 5. Step 1. Go to xnest.com and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to register and verify first. Step 2. Once logged in, go to the My Account section and click Open New Account. Step 3. Choose MetaTrader 5 as your platform. Then, select the account type you want, like Standard, Rosebreed, or Zero. Step 4. Set your preferred leverage, choose your account currency, then click Create Account. Step 5. After creating the account, you'll see your login credentials including MT5 account number, MT5 server name, and trader password. Step 6. Open your MetaTrader 5 app or desktop version. Step 7. Tap Login to existing account. Step 8. In the search bar, type XNest and select correct server name shown in your XNest account. Step 9. Enter your account number and password, then log in. You're now connected. You should see your live or demo balance and start placing trades. And that's it.